In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add USDC as a payment method in Shopify. First, make sure you're logged into your Shopify admin. From your main Shopify dashboard, you'll see the usual overview of your store's activity, orders, and products. This is your control center, and from here we're going to jump into the settings where all your payment options live. Look towards the bottom left of the dashboard and click on the option labeled Settings. This opens a new page with a list of different configuration areas for your store, like general settings, shipping, and taxes. For this tutorial, we're interested in how customers pay you, so our next stop is the Payments section. Inside Settings, find and click on Payments. This page controls all the ways your customers can pay at checkout, such as credit cards, digital wallets, and alternative methods. To add USDC, we need to add a new payment method that supports it. On the Payments page, look for the button that says Add Payment Method and click it. A new window or panel will appear, giving you a list of providers and a search bar. In the search bar, labeled something like Search by Payment Method, type in USDC. This filters the available options so you don't have to scroll through everything. Once the results appear, click on USDC. Shopify will now show you the providers and exchanges that can process USDC payments for your store. You'll see a list of supported exchanges. Click on the exchange where you already have an account. If you don't have an account with any of them yet, that's completely fine. You'll be able to sign up during the installation process. After selecting your exchange, you'll see an option to install this payment method. Click on Install. Shopify may ask you to confirm app permissions since this provider needs access to process payments. When prompted, click Install again to confirm. You'll now be redirected to the provider's page. If you don't already have an account, choose the Sign Up Now option. Follow the quick sign-up process they provide. This usually involves creating an account, verifying your email, and possibly completing some basic business verification, depending on the provider. Once your account is created and connected, you'll be brought back to Shopify, and USDC will appear as an available payment method at checkout. Your customers can now pay using USDC, and those payments will flow into your